Missy is driving a hard bargain here. She's not budging from 80. Can I have a Thai massage from your 1,500 bahts? For Thai massage, I'll have to come here alone. You want to buy?
I said it's funny and you want me to buy.
This may be the last vlog from Thailand. And in this one, Missy's 1,500 baht challenge is beginning. In Pattaya, I gave Missy 1,000 bahts to spend and she was only able to spend around 650 bahts. Now, this is our last day, or second last day rather. Tomorrow we are flying, but last day of exploring Bangkok, and we have to buy some clothes for Missy and some souvenirs and some snacks to take home. So we've increased the budget. Let's see if Missy is able to spend 1,500 bahts today. Join us. This is 1,000. And let me take out 500. Missy, you can keep this 2,000. You can give me the change. See how Bangkok looks at night. On both the sides, on all the roads, the trees are lighted up. That's how it looks. We know this area now very well. This is not very far from Khao San, nor is it far from our hotel, which is just 15 minutes walk from Khao San market. We've gone to Khao San market before, where we had the scorpion and spider and some other Thai food, but we did not do a lot of shopping on that day because we thought we'll reserve the shopping for the last day so that we know how much money we have left, and we have quite a lot left. And speaking of prices, Thailand is little more expensive than India, but Vietnam is very close to Indian prices. So if you are thinking how much money to carry if you go to Vietnam, and if you are from India, then same as what you would spend in India. And Thailand, little more than that.
Thank you. Same, thank you for
Captain Cap. Everybody thinks Missy is Thai.
I look at this.
Yeah. So this tuk-tuk, we gave him, let me clean the lens. We gave him 100 bahts for 2 kilometers. Now that may be tourist price, but then what can you do? We were very tired because in the previous vlog, if you watched it, we were in Chinatown and we spent a lot of time waiting for it to get dark so that we can show you Chinatown at night. So we've been walking a lot, so we had to take the tuk-tuk. And now here is the Khao San market, and Missy's challenge is about to begin. And Missy is flaunting the Jankir Shah, which is the traditional attire of Missy's state in India, Meghalaya. Look at this. There are some new bugs also here. Oh, okay. So if you want to take a photo or video, that's 20 bahts extra. Well, don't worry. We have a video of eating those bugs. Once in Khao San, as I mentioned earlier, and the other one also from another market in Bangkok. We shot it yesterday. So all the vlogs you will find in the description of this video, so you are not missing anything.
It looks more different today.
Looks different today, right? Yeah, so glad we are not seeing the same thing, because we came early last time. Last time it was barely getting dark and we came here, and now it's night, so the market is fully open. Last time we did not see all of these stalls here. So Missy, you can begin now. Wherever you want to go, let me follow you. Some policemen keeping the streets safe, free of crime. Let's see where Missy is going to take us now.
Souvenir, not sovereign every time. Souvenir section.
Yeah, let's go.
Why do I always keep... Where to go? Even I don't know.
Look at this. What's happening there?
Souvenir for your mom.
Yeah, let's do it then. Missy wants to buy some souvenirs now.
Mom, you want the bag?
You want a bag? You're asking me if I want this bag?
For your mom.
No.
Mommy.
My mom will not use bags like this.
She does. I know.
You can buy this one. Yeah, this my mom can use. Missy is going to buy from her 1,500 bahts for
This looks good.
her mother-in-law. Ask for the price then.
How much? 400. Discount? 350.
Bring out your bargainer, Missy. You have to decide, okay?
Very last price.
If you don't like it, don't buy.
What about 250 baht?
My bonus was 350. 320, okay? Just for you.
320.
It's your decision.
Then fix 300.
300 last. All right. All right. Missy has bargained it down to 300. That's our first purchase here. Look at what else they have. The knives. It's quite heavy. It's very heavy. How much is this knife?
Thank you.
450.
450.
They won't allow the
Interesting.
knife in
Yeah,
airport.
they won't allow in the plane. But yeah, can I see? Yeah. Let's see what else they have here. Now that we've bought something, we have a free pass to check out the shop. These are the elephants. Missy, we will buy elephants also, right?
Yeah, but I want
Look at the spider.
buy from other shops.
Yeah. We are not buying from here. The insects, are they real?
No, maybe? I don't know.
No, they are not real. So these are the gems you can have on the street outside. You can have those bugs outside. Alright, you saw this shop. Now let's go to some other shop and let's see what else Missy ends up buying. Stop this woman. Hello. What are you selling?
What these? How much?
200.
Very expensive.
Yeah, 200 is too much. Very small.
Not cheaper.
80 baht.
150.
80 baht.
I know you.
Missy is driving a hard bargain here. Very hard bargain.
Won't you get 80 baht?
She's not budging from 80.
80 I like
100 is
it.
fine. 100 is fine.
Green one?
Green is Missy's favorite color.
But they look good. 80?
100 baht แล้วเดี๋ยว 100 baht
100 baht?
แค่
Okay then.
All right.
100
Very.
baht.
It started where? 200.
80 or from 200?
From 200. Down 50% bargain. Okay.
5
What?
Ah,
How is it? How do I look, guys?
they look good.
Photo. Okay, this may become a thumbnail. But I can't wear this. No. Only this one. You can have food, drink, party, everything here. And they have buckets here. When you buy a bucket, you get a bunch of drinks in that bucket. Missy, can I have a Thai massage from your 1,500 bahts?
It's still a no.
It's still a no.
Ask for the shirt.
For Thai massage, I'll have to come here alone.
Let's ask for some, what is that, elephant shirt
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah, let's enter somewhere. We're going to buy the elephant shirt for dad. Let's go there. Let's see how much is the cost for elephant shirt. We bought elephant pants from Missy for 100 bahts.
How much?
250.
250.
How much you can pay?
Missy,
100 baht?
100 baht cannot.
we bought elephant pants for 100 baht.
Elephant pant and shirt not the same, nah.
Same
I
size.
give you 180, okay? 180.
180. Missy, you bring out your bargainer.
With 150.
Missy does good bargaining now.
What size, your brother?
What size, my brother? He will wear
Loose
big
one?
size, loose. Yeah, I think this size is good for him.
And for that small size?
For that small size, we will
One
buy two.
small
Okay,
size?
two. We will buy two.
Large and
Small.
I
One large and one small.
have large, extra large, 2 extra large.
Ah.
Don't have small.
One extra large, one small.
1 extra large, 1 large, okay. Extra large, what color?
Yeah, this should be good for my brother.
Red
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, red one is fine.
Kem nai?
Yeah. Okay.
This should be good for my brother, I guess.
Are you sure? Yeah, he's big for now. So.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, and look for your dad.
She doesn't
What
have
color?
small.
This extra
small
large?
You don't have small?
I have large, extra large, 2 extra
Okay, it
large.
starts from large. So let's get large from here and small from somewhere else. Kapun kap.
No, no.
Alright, so we've got only one large elephant shirt for my brother. We could not find a small size for dad, so we will look for that somewhere else now.
Now you want to
See how small these are.
Look at this one. Looks good.
You want to wear it?
No.
Swadikap.
Can I try? Ah,
How does it look?
looks very funny.
Looks funny. You want to buy?
No.
No.
I said it's funny and you want me to buy.
Alright, so sunglasses are not happening. Is it good?
You like black
I like the
color?
green one.
green. We bought it already.
Oh, we bought one elephant, right? Oh
No,
yeah.
that is a keychain.
Oh, that's a keychain. But yeah, I like this color also. Or this yellow also is good. Which one do you like, guys? I like the orange. Orange better. It's very bright.
orange.
Yeah.
You can buy one.
Can buy one?
Yeah.
Well, it's your challenge, Missy. It's your vlog. So whichever you like best, you can pick that up. That's also different. Yeah. That's also nice. Same price? 120.
120.
That's fine. You can.
It looks good.
Let's take it then.
100. 1000 this one.
Kapun kap. Elephants are very popular in Thailand. Maybe it's their national animal. The 1,000 baht bill is still in my hand. So the big purchases have not yet happened. I'm not sure what else Missy is going to buy. But let's see. We have to still look for elephant shirt. Yeah, this is small.
250.
You know what to do, Missy. You know what to do. Why are you dumbfounded?
150.
We bought one. 150 we bought large. Huh? Not possible. All right then. Okay. We just bought for 150. There was no small size there. Okay. And there are elephant shirts here also.
We got this. Okay, right?
Yeah. Now we are looking for a bag for Missy's mom. and unless we walk away, the bargain is not complete. Sometimes we must walk away also. If you don't walk away, it's not complete. See how cheap these are. Why to pay 200 there? Why to pay even 200 there? Is it good, Missy? Yeah, take it. I think this is fixed price here. Sale, that means fixed price, you can't bargain here. This is a good shop, guys. 100 bucks for that bag. I think it's cheaper than India for this sale. Let's go and find the shirt now. Here the cannabis is legal to smoke. Is it your shop? For 200 bahts. Let's try it. Missy? What? What? I will only try it. Is it very strong?
Not. Just no.
I can sit down here and do it, right? Okay. Alright, let's do it. Where is she? I was just testing, Missy. Testing. I'm not gonna do that on the vlog anyways. But guys, I wanted to show you guys what all you can get here. So, is legal here, and if you want to smoke a joint, you know how much it costs now. These are for kids.
250.
250. You want to buy for anyone?
It'll be big. Do you have a smaller one?
You know what to do, Missy.
180.
220, okay.
220. 200 fine?
Ah.
What 200? That's the
Alright. We'll take this one for a kid. Take 200. Or you can take 1,000 and give us change. Missy, how much you paid for this elephant?
100.
This is 50.
50 baht.
Oh! Okay.
After driving such hard bargain, we still paid more. Here, these elephants are 50 bahts. So now, this is a learning for you guys. Yeah. Monkey also. Yeah, take that also. So this is a learning for you guys. Just check out every shop. There may be some sales, and when there are sales, you will see a sticker like this, and those are cheaper. You might think that you are a very hard bargainer, but you might still end up paying more. You want to put it here?
That's food, right? Here.
Elephant shirt, small size. Yeah? If they do have it, we'll just buy it from here and then probably end this vlog, because I think we've got enough for you guys from this market. No, we have to still have food. I have in my hand 820 bahts remaining. So Missy has spent about half of the budget so far, and we're almost done. Missy probably will buy one bag and the elephant shirt, the small one, which has become a challenge to find now. Are the bags good here? We are looking for elephant shirt in small size, S. No?
Let's try medium one.
Let's buy a medium one.
Is that stuck inside now?
We bought Missy's elephant pants also from this shop for 100 baht. Let's see if the shirt costs the same or different. Alright, now I have 500, 150 and 20. That much money is still left. Alright guys, now we'll have our dinner, and for a change we will not vlog that dinner because we've already made a food vlog earlier today from Chinatown Market. That's the previous vlog. You watch it if you haven't, and if you like this vlog, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget the beautiful bell icon as well. With this vlog, the Thailand series is coming to an end. And what an end! What a market this is. Noodles, one. Now let the noodle come. I think we're done. Do you have anything left? No?
I'm tired also.
So it was challenging, would you say?
Yeah.
Spend 1,500 bahts here.
Because I didn't get what I wanted the price.
See, it's never challenging to spend money. You can spend as much as money as you want. There are things available. But then, if you are looking for specific things, you know how much you can buy and at what prices with 1,500 bahts. So that was the idea of this video. So this Nongkitong from Meghalaya was not able to spend 1,500 bahts. Alright guys, look at the Thai noodles. So this is chicken and pork with Thai noodles.
Good food for Thailand.
How is it?
Different from what we have tasted in India and also in Vietnam. This taste is different. And also, so far what we've had in Thailand, this is again a little different taste. You want to try it? And the quantity of meat is great here.